Well, I'm debugging the harness and learning a few things. I know it doesn't look much better, does it? Wires everywhere. I'm jumping into my sockets before I solder them in, and I'm finding lots of little things. I'm having trouble with my magnet behaving the way I thought it would. I had one working out of the package, and I tried another one, and it was dead on arrival. Tried another one, dead on arrival. So my reed switches are not high quality, that's what I'm guessing. So I'm gonna have to go through them and test to see which ones are really working well. In any case, the trigger does work. We know that. I just need to get the right parts and make sure I put them together properly. I have the smoke. The smoke is running now. I got a little problem with my board on the getting the heat in. I got a jumper in there now. I'm gonna have to dig through that. That's a board issue, not a circuit issue. I did have a circuit issue initially, and it was a bad jumper wire to the motor. I think it was this, something like this wire here I was using, and it was open at the connector. Okay, so I'm using some, and the wire I'm using is not the biggest, so it's somewhat, not great, but I'm just doing for test, okay? Not trying to live on it. But we're making progress. I swapped out the reverse board thinking that was a problem. It turned out to be the wire. I put in a new reverse board, and then I had a short in my relay trigger sensor, and I fried forward on this new board. Sorry, Dan. So now I'll have to go back to the old board. It's probably fine, and do some more testing. But I do have a club member coming over. Too bad I don't have a little more to show him. That'd be nice. At any rate, we'll keep chugging along, and I'll get back to you. But progress is on. The fan is working, and look at the temperature of the socket. Or the highest heat person is 30 degrees C, which is really low, and which is marvelous. I have to tell you, it was smoking about 30 minutes ago, literally. So I had a short over here somewhere that was just making it nuts, and I think that's when I fried forward. At any rate, that happens. I'm going to work my way through this. I got a couple of things to iron out, circuit-wise and clearance-wise, to make sure that the tinder body comes on smoothly and fits nice. I'm afraid it's a little high up here. I don't know what's going on, but it's sticking way up. So I'm going to have to see. Maybe I've got something bent or something down here. I did make a new one that had a screw down post for the front, so that would screw it down. That may be what I have to go to. Oh, these boys. Oh, he's warm. I should move my temperature probe over and see what he says. Yeah, look at that. You think he's warmer than my other board? Oh, baby, look at that. Oh my. Oh, wowie. And those are C. That's like C. That's centigrade. Yeehaw! 81C. I wonder what that is in F. Oh, it's 178 in F. Oh, I don't know that that's good. Okay, I meant to go over that. Oh, that's the smoke. Oh, and that's because maybe this jumper is causing a little problem. Let's see, huh? No, I don't think so. But my smoke oh, that wire is now completely loose. You see how the volts went, the power went up? That's because I'm not running it. Okay, that's not good. This thing is broken off. So that can't be right, huh? There's no smoke. So I'll get back to that. I'm gonna unplug it, save it. Just save it. There we go. That's probably going to drop temperatures too. Yeah, see, temperatures are dropping now that I unplugged the smoke. So that tells you what's going on. That may be a bad... all of these parts have been on and off, handled quite a bit, maybe getting beaten up a little bit. So I'm not concerned. I'm more worried about documenting what goes where on the connectors, and making sure that the connectors have good continuity to the pieces that they're supposed to. and then I can iron out the nuances of wires and connectors and fitting and clamping down and blah blah blah. So I'm not concerned at all. I'm just happy to see this combo coming back together, working through a majority of the harness is working, and just loose ends, trigger and smoke and relay sensor, 3 things that are